Hello everyone, myself Dilip Singh Khanna, and this video which we are going to be making today, it's very important for those students who are looking their sponsorship towards to fleet ship management. I mean, the student is waiting to fill the form. Form is going to be open from 7th of April, and this will be for a month. It will going to be open, and then on your 5th of May your examination is going to be conducted with IMI Greater Noida. Now there are many doubts with the students. This fleet ship management form which you are going to be filled, it is free of the cost. Whether you give your examination in IMI Greater Noida or you give your examination in FMTI Mumbai, both the places it's free of the cost. You go on the link, fill the form, submit it. So you choose any center. But I must request to everyone, choose the first center which is in IMI Greater Noida. It will be a good helpful for everyone. Now from this year onwards, all the students who are going to be sponsored by Fleet Ship Management are coming to IMI Greater Noida. In this examination, there are some questions from the students like what will be the process. The process is, first you will be come to IMI on 5th or 6th, that you are getting a mail from our side, proper address and everything very before of your this day. Then you can plan it to be reached here, and then you will come for your first step is your examination. You will come for your computer based examination. It will be for a 1 hour of your examination. There will be negative marking also, and the syllabus is your physics, chemistry, mathematics, English, and somehow GK also. Then when you qualify this, all the students who are going to qualify this, they'll be go for their second round, which will be your interview round. Then you are going to give your interview. All passed out interview round, whoever clearing the second round of this, they'll go for their third round, which is their psychometric examination. And when you clear the third round, you will be go for your medical examination. So these are the 4 steps. Number 1, your CBT based examination. Number 2, your interview. Number 3, your psychometric test. Number 4, your medical. If you clear these all 4 steps, you are going to join this fleet ship management. Now there are one more doubt amongst the students, like all the appearing student, they are giving the examination and suppose they got their sponsorship and later on they are not qualifying the fleet eligibility criteria. What is fleet eligibility criteria? You have to be current year or last year passed out. You need to be have 70% in English and PCM, physics, chemistry, mathematics. This combination should be greater than 70. If you are in appearing, so you are eligible, you can give examination. But in later stage, if you get less marks, so your sponsorship will be automatically cancelled. Then next round, you all need to qualify IMU CET examination also. There the rank should be there, so you have to prepare well for this also. And this is the information from our side from the IMU CET also. The examination forms for this is already open. You can go in IMU official website, you will get a link over there. Click on that, fill your form, and the last date for this is 2nd May, and your examination is going to be conducted on 24th of May. So remember this also. So I hope I have covered all the points. If I forget something, you do a comment, I'll reply it over there. Don't worry, IMI is going to be conduct many webinars also for these students who are going to apply for fleet ship management. In later stage, we are going to clearing your more doubts regarding the examination. Thank you for the watch.